You know what? You want to do something? You want to try something cool? Let me try something. There's a thing in Photoshop I kind of want to try out. Oh, I've done it before on kids, and I've had mixed success. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go to Filter. Oh, Christ. Why can't I? Why? 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 Hold on. I thought I was going to go to Neural Filters. What's the problem here? Can I not do it because it's not raw? Okay, hold on. You know what? You know what? Give me a second. I can find the original file. This is a smaller file. I should just make it. I should use it with the big file. What is that? What is that song? Inspector Gadget. Why? I haven't watched that in 30 years. What the hell? Okay, yeah, that family. How'd you know? That's the one I wanted to look at. Oh, golly gosh. Gosh, golly gosh and stuff. Oh, and I got those grads too. Oh, yeah. Sorry, I'm getting distracted. Autistic. Got an official excuse. Let's see. Where was that family? I wanted to try this a little experiment with. Criminy. This right here? This right here. Yes. Okay. So we're gonna edit that in beta. Doesn't matter. Whatever. Just open up Photoshop, please. Yes. Okay. And now, okay. Will you let me now? Yes, you will. Okay, goodbye. Old copy. Can you? Okay. I want this lady. He's looking, she's looking. God, they're so cute. Little stinkers. Let's see. Smart portrait. She's the one selected. Now let's see how, how this works. Excuse me, hold on. I just inhaled my own spit. Smooth. Very smooth. Oh, that's fun. That's a good time. That's good. That's good stuff. Alright, so, she's looking off to the right, and that sucks. I could just replace her head with her head from the other picture, but, that's, sometimes you have a hard time getting things to match up. I mean, I usually make it look pretty good, but I want to try this. I tried it on Baby the other day, and it looked demonic. Like, it made the eyes look really messed up. So, but maybe it'll work on this lady. Can you keep turning your eyes? Whoa! Oh my god. It's a little creepy, but I low-key love it. It worked! I see a little pixel coloration issue here, but I can touch that up by hand. That is dope as hell. Alright. I'm always getting surprised with the new AI stuff. See, AI can be handy for some stuff. For some stuff. For making my little tedium less tedious, you know what I mean? Making the tedium less tedious. That's what it's good for. Like these neural filters, these are all AI driven, and they rock. Like harmonization, I use this a lot with cosplay edits. Anything where I put in a fully blown like fake background, harmonization helps match the tone of the subject to that fake background. So that's that's pretty nice. It takes out so many layers and so much time that I used to spend doing it the hard way. Now I can just move a couple of sliders, tweak it here and there, and get it pretty damn close. I still might have to do an overlay layer just to get like the saturation or God, why am I blanking on words today? Saturation, contrast, overall light. Okay. that stuff. I might have to tweak that too later, but it has certainly saved me a lot of time and taken out many steps. This used to be like a gazillion step process just to do one of my cosplay things edits, and now it's cut in half or less than half. So I'm pretty stoked with some of these AI tools. Not all, but definitely, ow, my neck, definitely some. Like straight up stealing people's artwork and stuff. No, that's not copacetic, but using them like this to help enhance what I've already done, that's fine. Yes, I was satisfied with those. I don't want to do this right now. Alright. Facial age, happiness. She looks pretty damn happy. You can even change the hair thickness? Wow. I'll have to try that with one of my bald friends. I got a couple. I'll take a picture of one and be like, let me mess with your face in Photoshop. Mess with your head. Alright. I like her like that. She's looking more straight at the camera. Very dope. Let me get way up in there. Oh my. Let me fix. Let's see if it'll look good like this. Oh my, that's heavy. Yeah. 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 3 shades of brown later. Okay. That ain't bad. Fill in this little... Yeah. I'd say. That's okay. It's not locked. It's not looking down the barrel of the camera, but it's pretty dang close. It's closer than her looking off over into the right field. Okay. That's dope. I'm going to save it. I'm going to flatten it. And then I'm going to save it. Yes. Lightroom, right? And then I'm going to shoot it out onto my desktop. What a neat little trick. There you go. Neural filter, huh? If you got somebody who's not looking right at you. Like, they can't be looking completely to the side. That's where I messed up the other night. I was testing it on, I don't want to pull it up because they're children, like little bitty children, and their parents aren't in the photos, so I don't know. I feel weird about showing pictures of just kids. But, there was a little boy about, probably this one, maybe a little bit older, old enough to walk, and I was taking photos of him and his family, and he looked straight at me and then tilted his head ever so to the side like this, and then looked all the way over, and you could see like the real big whites of his eyes. And I tried, because like it was such a good pose, and I used that neural filter to try to get the eyes to lock into focus, and it just made his eyes look really scary, like kind of like snake eyes or something. I was like, ooh. So that didn't work out. It doesn't work for everything, but some things. So I like this. Did it? Oh boy, it went up to the top. Okay. I'm gonna export. Low. There we go. No. Just by itself, 65% is fine. Alright, that was image 27. So there, let's check this out. Let's see what we just did. Holy shit. Alright, that's pretty dope. Let's get her here. Get it there. Okay. And then... That's wild. Goddamn. See, that's a small example of what AI is good for, I think. I think that's pretty cool. Being able to change the position of somebody's eye, gaze, focus, you know? Because too often I'll take pictures, I mean, anytime I'm at an event, a party, a big family with, like, let's say anything above 5 or more people, the odds are ever increasing that the likeliness of someone blinking, it goes through the roof, right? The odds are just exponential. So, like, let's say I have a big family or a big group of like 20 people, I will purposefully, like, already with a small family, like this family of 5 here, I probably took like 6 photos of the same shot just in case the kids were looking around or mom and dad decided to blink or something. But whenever I do a big group, like one time I was doing a 90th birthday party and they had every member of their family there, and it was like 100 something, 100 and change. It was like 100 and under 10, so like 100 and something. And we were in this big, like a ballroom at a banquet room at a hotel, and they were purposefully adjacent to like this huge, kind of like a gymnasium, I guess, in size, this big room where the hotel has like a stage. I guess they would probably do like speaker events or whatever. So this was the only room where we could fit this whole family, and we lined them up in front of this big stage, and I had my big studio light on a stand over here, and my speed light on a stand over here to try to, you know, with a small family you can use one big light and you're fine, but with a group you're going to get light on half of them and darkness on the other half. So I tried to use both my lights, and I was successful. I got a really good group photo for them, but because there were so many people, I took the same shot probably 25 times, because out of 100 people, right, there's probably a 25% chance that at least that somebody's going to blink out of that 100. So if I take 25 pictures, or at least a good couple of dozen, right, baker's dozens, then chances are that within those 25 pictures of the group of 100, yeah, I'm going to have some blinkers. Probably half of them are going to blink, but those same people aren't going to be blinking in all of them, because not everybody blinks at the same time. So it's a lot of, for years, it's been a lot of, let me take this head off of this one and put your head on your body over here, and let me take your face off of this one and put it on your face over here. It's just been it's been a lot of that. But with a tool like this, I mean, look at, that's pretty dope. She was straight up, this is the original. She was looking over here, and I mean, it's not right down the barrel of the camera. We can tell the kid's really looking at me, but it's a heck of a lot closer. I like that. I think that's really neat. I think that's one cool aspect of AI, if you will, is being able to do something like this. That's pretty neat. I can't wait to use that more. I mean, I can. I hope people look at my camera when I'm taking their photo, but, you know, kids, you can't have their focus for 10 solid seconds while you're trying to take a few good pictures. You have to constantly regain their focus. So, yeah, I think that's pretty cool. I'm going to save that. That's going to be the one that we put on the website.